Hello everyone, welcome to this training session. We will understand how to use the VA API services to integrate Onfinity ERP with external platforms. Today, we will go through a developer guide and a small application we have built for your understanding. This will help you understand the use of these web services and how to integrate them with external platforms, whether they are your ESPX pages, WordPress pages, or any other external platform. This is the developer guide. This guide will help you understand each and every method present in this document. The manual provides information about the different modules available in the VA API services. The API Services module appears to be a system that allows users to access various APIs using access keys and authentication secret keys. These access keys and secret keys are used for authentication. The access key will be provided by Onfinity, and the secret key you can create on your own. We will let you know how to create the secret key in a little while. So, what is in this document? Let's go through each method in the index. We have certain methods listed. We can insert records, delete records, update by IDs, read by IDs, read images, insert attachments, get the primary keys, and get the document number. These are the various possibilities provided in the API services. Using them, you can integrate and build your application in connection with Onfinity ERP. Now let's go to a method. GetRecordV2. We will check the details of this method. This method is used to get records based on the query passed in the parameters, which are SQL query parameters. The user has to pass the SQL query. The SQL query is the one in which you want to get certain information from a specific table. You have to pass that query in this SQL parameter. As for the request format in JSON, the API accepts a POST request, where the request body must be in the JSON format. The request body should include the following parameters. The first one is the SQL query, and the other one is the table name. This is the main table name on which you are writing the query. Additionally, the access key and the secret key must be passed in the request headers to authenticate the request. We will show you this in an example. Without these, your authentication will not work. These are mandatory, and you must pass them in the request headers. Here we have also mentioned the endpoints. For example, the endpoint is https://api/vapi/service/getRecordV2. You can replace onfinitysample.com with your application URL. This is the Onfinity application URL, and you can create the endpoint, give the signatures, and get the desired results from this API. We have mentioned the query parameters. These parameters include the SQL query, where you have to enter the SQL query, and the table name. This is the main table name from which you want to get data. This is the sample request. For example, in this request, we are getting the values from the C_B partner table. We have passed the query select name, value from C_B partner. Likewise, you can pass any query and any table name from which you want to retrieve data from the Onfinity ERP system. The sample response will come in this way. You can then read the response and take the desired action on that particular data. Likewise, you can pass any query and any table name from which you want to retrieve data from the Onfinity ERP system. Similarly, we have other methods as well. All these methods are explained in detail. Once you get this document, you can go through it and read all the methods. So let's go forward, and I will let you know how to create your secret key first.